We're all talking about AI. How are we using it? A recent survey by Burwood found that only 16% of organizations have widespread AI adoption. Most businesses are still exploring tools and their potential, but it's happening in silos, without alignment, and without a real plan. The big question we hear every single day is, how do we turn all this activity into real business value? Hi, my name is Matthew Gregg, the Practice Director for Cloud Solutions at Burwood Group. Everyone is using AI in some way, but without a roadmap, it's disjointed. Teams may be trying new tools, but they're not collaborating, not measuring impact, and not tying it back to business strategy. That's where Burwood comes in. Our role is to help organizations cut through the noise. We start with strategy workshops and help you build a roadmap so that AI adoption is structured, collaborative, and aligned to your business goals. From there, we help clients implement and manage AI solutions that deliver real-world outcomes. Recently, at a major US university, we partnered with their business school to create an AI-powered venture ideation tool. It gives student entrepreneurs instant expert-level feedback, helping them refine their ideas faster and making faculty mentorship time even more impactful. At another US university, we helped design an AI-powered assistant for their high-performance computing environment. Researchers can now get 24/7 answers to technical questions, speeding up their work while freeing staff to focus on bigger challenges. Our ability to deliver these kinds of outcomes is strengthened by our partnership with Google. Burwood has been named Google Partner of the Year 5 times in the past 5 years. This is recognition of our deep expertise in AI, data, and cloud solutions. These examples can prove that AI can deliver real value, but only when it's aligned with strategy. The best place to start is with a clear roadmap. That's exactly what we build in our AI visioning workshops. Click on the link and sign up today.